Hey guys, this is Zach with BTB. We've been getting in some of these hardware resources, vanities, and the great thing about these is they come already assembled. The only thing you have to do is install the countertop in the sink. And the great thing about this as well is they have a quick turnaround, about 2 weeks. And let's get going. All right, so here we have our 36-inch vanity. We're going to unbox it. I've already started. Down here on the bottom, they have a dotted line that you can cut. And then all you have to do is just slide the box right up over it. All right, so here we have our top. As you can see, it's very well packaged. And so we're going to take this apart, open it up, and then install it. The next step is to take our tub and tile caulk, and we're going to apply a generous bead between the line drawn and the cutout. So we're going to do that now. Now that we've applied our caulk, we're going to take our sink and place it on the countertop and make sure it's lined up with our markings on the countertop. Okay, our next step is to attach our brackets. You want to make sure that your brackets are aligned with the holes that have already been pre-drilled into the countertop. Alright, so we have our brackets installed. Our next step is to put a bead of silicone around the edge of the sink where it meets the countertop. Alright, so our next step is we want to apply a generous bead of silicone around the top edge of your vanity. Make sure you don't get it too much to where it squeezes out on the sides, but just a nice bead right down the middle. Okay, our next step is to place our countertop on top of the vanity. You're going to want a little extra help with this because this is marble and it's heavy, and so I recruited some help for this part. So you want your countertop to be flush with the back of the vanity. Then you want to measure each side and have the same reveal all the way around on the sides and the front. But again, the back has to be flush with the back of the vanity. Alright, so we have our top on. Our next step on these is to install our hardware. The hardware is already on there. They have the holes marked and drilled, and all that's good. All you have to do is just flip it around. They install the hardware facing inward. That way it's easier for packaging. So now we'll just take it off, flip it around, put it on the front side like it's supposed to be. Alright, so we have our hardware put on, we have our top mounted, and some really other cool features about these vanities is everything is equipped with soft close from the doors to the drawers. Everything has soft close in it. It then also has a nice little pull-out tray down here, and that also has soft close as well. So this is your vanity, and it's as simple as that. So it's what now?
Marble.
Marble.
Marble top.
It's marble, everybody.
You can just say countertop.
Don't put this in the cutout.
Marble.
The next step is to get our vanity top.
I saw it coming the whole time.